Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. We are joined today by Henrik Anderson, Chief Investment Officer at Apollo Crypto, and also a panelist in our Digital Asset Investment Trends panel session. Henrik, thank you for being here.
Oh, thank you so much for having me.
Now, Henrik, with over 17 years of experience in global financial markets, what drew you to focus on crypto assets, and how has your traditional finance background influenced your approach at Apollo Crypto?
Yeah, so I spent around 15 years in traditional finance before I got into digital assets in crypto. So I first discovered Bitcoin in 2013, and that was a breakthrough in computer science. It made me super interested in the space, and I saw the launch of Ethereum and smart contracts. Later, I realized that this is becoming a new asset class, and that's when I co-founded Apollo Crypto in 2017 as one of the first crypto asset management firms out of Australia.
Very interesting. That's very fascinating. Now, Apollo Crypto manages several funds with different strategies. So, can you give us an overview of how these funds complement each other in the crypto investment landscape?
Yeah, sure. So we have our Australian flagship fund, and that fund is designed for someone who wants one exposure to the crypto asset market. So that fund includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all our best ideas in the space. And then we advise two other funds. One fund excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that's what we call an alternative investment fund. So it's a bit higher risk, if you like. And then we have a market neutral fund, which is very different. It uses stable coins in decentralized finance to achieve very stable returns.
I understand. That's a great overview. The crypto market has seen significant volatility in recent years. So, how does Apollo Crypto's multi strategy approach help navigate these market conditions?
Yeah, so we adjust the exposure to the market in our funds depending on the sentiment in the market. So when we believe we are in a positive market like we are now, our exposure to the crypto market can be anywhere between 80 and 100% in the flagship fund. And when we are in a less favorable market, what we call a bear market, then the exposure to crypto is can be around 60%. So we adjust the exposure to the market depending on the sentiment.
I understand. Very insightful. Now, you're particularly focused on NFTs and metaverse infrastructure. So, what trends in these areas do you find most promising for investment opportunities?
Yeah, so right now we are still investing in the infrastructure of the market, and there has been a lot of development in that space in the last few years, I would say, in kind of the scaling solutions, the layer 1, layer 2 blockchains in decentralized finance. I think the next evolution will be to more easily onboard retail investors because it's quite hard to set up wallets. It's hard kind of to get exposure to crypto for the average person. So I think what we will see is a lot of development when it comes to wallets and how the user interface looks, how you back up your crypto assets and things like that. So that's really a way to enable the onboarding of the next 100 million people into the crypto space.
I understand. Now, as someone with a strong quantitative background, how do you see data analytics and quantitative strategies shaping the future of crypto asset management?
Yeah, so crypto and blockchain is different from almost all other investment classes, I think, in that it's very transparent. Everything happens on the blockchain, on chain. And I think if you have a quantitative mindset, then there's a lot of data out there in real time that you can analyze. So I think that gives us an edge in the market.
Absolutely. Henrik, as we wrap up, I'd love to get your thoughts on the event today. So you've been here at the event, so it would be great if you could share with the audience. How's it been for you?
Yeah, I think it's really good. It's great to see the turnout. It's really good to connect with so many wholesale investors at one place. So it's been great.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much, Henrik, for sharing your valuable perspective with our audience members. And thank you so much to our viewers for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you all in my next interview. Thanks, Henrik.
Thank you.